how to get to your first 2,000 to 3,000 US dollars profit with Clickbank affiliate marketing in 2025 with Google pay-per-click ads without showing your face. So basically this, as you can see over here, this is the new Clickbank account, new test, okay? I'm doing different tests. So you can see over here some of the results, right? Campaign started on May 10th. May 11th, $139 in sales, and you can see over here almost $1,000 a day in sales. Now this is over, as you can see over here, right? If I click, you can see this is over $4,000 in 7 days. Now what we are doing differently here is, yes, we are using buyers list with Google pay-per-click ads. Those are the recent buyers in 30 to 60 days ago, okay? Now why this is important? Because with Google ads, we are looking for buyers clicks, we are looking for buyers intent, okay? Because let me tell you the biggest secret of affiliate marketing. In order for someone to buy, they have to be in the solution state. So the job of your affiliate money page, your simple money page with ClickFunnels, Go High Level, or whatever you're using, is not to sell, it's to pre-sell. And in order for sale or conversions to happen, you need to pre-sell 5 points. There are 5 points. One of them is pain, another one is problem. Okay, there are 3 more. And they have to be in the right structure in order for you to make affiliate sales. Now the reason you are struggling to make money in 2025, maybe you have bought courses, you failed, you lost money, I understand. It's not your fault. The reason why is because you see, my friend, as you watch this video, you were not taught the right strategy that works in 2025 and that it's not outdated and it doesn't get your ad account shut down. Okay? So the most important thing is to understand, okay, who is your audience? Are they low emotional state, high emotional state audience? What is the language pattern? Are they males, females? Okay? Targeting is very important as well. Your ad copy is also very, very important. Okay? Because you can have the wrong message to the market match. In order for sale to happen, as you can see over here, you need to have the right message to the market match. On your landing page, on your pre-sale page, money page, and also on your affiliate ad campaigns. Now you can begin with $5 to $10 per day ad spend and have $100 to $300 days. It's possible. Why? Because one person is going to buy the entire funnel, meaning front-end product and upsells. Now the biggest secret with affiliate marketing is this. If you're promoting Nutra, CPA offers, weight loss, health and wellness offers on Clickbank, you have to understand in every niche this is happening, even dating and relationships. In order for someone to buy, they have to admit something. And that something is negative things. Okay? So for example, if someone is in the weight loss market, female weight loss market, they have to admit they're fat or overweight. Okay? So that's psychological thing that blocking them from making a buying decision. And if you know what you're doing within your affiliate campaigns, you should know how to change once you see that, how to fix that to start having up to 90% affiliate conversion rates. Lots of people are gonna get to the checkout page, but they will not buy. Okay, they're gonna watch webinar or VSL, but they are not going to buy. And most likely, your conversion rates are so low because you don't know what you don't know. And in order for that, you need to have someone who can help you one-on-one, step-by-step, so you can have these kind of results and install this method. Maybe spending 1 hour a day, 30 minutes per day to start having $300 or $600 days, as you can see over here. This is just a test campaign on Clickbank. Okay? Now, if you're serious and smart, and I know you are, okay, let me show you something. Later, you can reach out to me over here on my Instagram, my free Facebook group, even my WhatsApp number. So I have my WhatsApp number in the description below. Also my email, but you can reach out to me, but only if you're serious, okay? If you really want to have these kind of results in 2025, because it's always doable. But you have to be someone who takes action to start having more results in 2025, okay? You can let me know over here later. So all this, it's really doable if you take action, because now is the time to start having results for yourself, because you already paid the price. You have already wasted time watching YouTube videos, maybe bought some courses, maybe you're this close to start having results, this close to start having results with Clickbank. But you just need someone who can help you by hand-holding you one-on-one, step-by-step along the way. So as you watch this video, you can reach out to me later, okay, after subscribing to my YouTube channel for more helpful tips. You can reach out to me one-on-one only if you're serious and if you really want to take action now as you watch this video and start once for all finally having results.